Hi, in this video we are going to learn how to add email to iPhone. So, go to the settings and search for the mail option in settings. Now click on the accounts. Click on add account and you should see few emails. Type if you have email from one then email provider, click on that, otherwise click on other. Like I have a Google account. Now it will redirect to the login page of that email. Follow the online instructions. You can add multiple email to your iPhone. And also can choose what you want to back up for email. Thank you for watching. Have any query, comment down below.